Verdict is in, and it's not guilty in the sexual battery case against the former chief investigator for the medical examiner's office. Kevin Rowland was on trial for allegedly twisting a male co-worker's nipple. Kirsten McIntyre was in the courtroom when the verdict was read. Kirsten?
And Kelly, it took the jury just 45 minutes to decide Kevin Rowland was not guilty of sexual battery. So was this trial a total waste of time and money? It definitely depends on who you ask.
Not guilty.
A relieved Rowland family just moments after the not guilty verdict was read. Kevin Rowland's wife and teenage daughter hugged, his wife clearly emotional by the acquittal.
I said from day one, if I'd committed a crime, I'd have been nervous, but I didn't commit a crime.
His family offered this reaction.
To think that Drew Edmondson, an elected official, in these hard times economically, or any time, would knowingly spend hundreds of thousands of taxpayers' dollars to pursue such bogus charges is unbelievable.
The alleged victim testified he thought Rowland was sexually gratified when he twisted his nipple. But jurors didn't buy it. They say it didn't meet the legal requirements for a guilty verdict. They say they were even more convinced when they saw these sexually graphic emails the alleged victim sent to Rowland.
I think that they had a close enough relationship that they were joking back and forth with each other.
Made me think that they're both jerks.
During the trial, jurors also heard from this female co-worker who claims Rowland kissed her and grabbed her buttocks and breasts. Jurors told us they reminded themselves in deliberations her case was not the one on trial.
It was a couple people. I think they wanted to punish him for his character. They were thinking, yeah, he did stuff he shouldn't have did.
Prosecutors say they are disappointed by the verdict, but feel if nothing else, the public now knows the sexual tone and culture of the medical examiner's office. They also say there was evidence the judge didn't allow in that could have made a difference.
There were numerous people that had issues with Mr. Rowland, and that's why the grand jury returned the indictments that they did, and that's why we pursued them.
Now, out of the 12 jurors, only 3 granted us interviews, but they all 3 told us they thought the case was a waste of taxpayer money and their time. Now, we can also tell you Kevin Rowland's attorney tells us there are plans to seek litigation against the state of Oklahoma. Kelly?
All right, Kirsten. Kevin Rowland still faces a rape charge in Tulsa County. The Attorney General's office says it plans to move ahead with that trial, which is scheduled for November.